Hello kids. So previous class we learned how to read, pronounce and write OE sound, that is O sound words. Now in this class some other vowel things. What are they? Let us see. So today also we are going to read, write and pronounce the words with IE. I. They are giving both IE. We can see two vowels IE, but they give a single vowel word I. I. They are giving I sound and spelled with different vowel teams. Then what is the second one? So we said that it is giving different vowel team. So the next one is IGH. I. I. So IE gives the vowel sound I. The vowel team IGH also gives I sound, though it doesn't contain the vowels, but it gives the I sound. So let us see how. Okay. So some examples I will take. After that we can read the lesson and we can write them in our volume and we can try to pronounce them by reading. Okay. So I, tie. I. So here we can see it is giving a tie. I sound. Are we getting E sound? No, we are getting only the I sound. Tie. Pie. So you can see here I sound. Okay. Now what are the words with IGH? Tie. Tie. So IGH is tie. If I use T, it becomes tie. T. Last sound is ta, t. So ta, I, ta, tight. Ta, I, ta, tight. I. So even E is pronounced as I. So here IGH is giving I sound. E is joined with them. So I, t, I, eight becomes eight. E gives A, I, t, eight. So it is giving a sound. So here also A. I am not, if I doesn't pronounce T, it is giving A. I sound. So tie, I, tie, A. So it is giving the I sound. Fly, fly, t, flight, fly, t, flight. Okay. So these two vowel teams. So according we discussed different vowel teams. So the different vowel teams IE and IGH are giving the same pronunciation. So the sound is same and spelled with different vowel teams. So with these two vowel teams we spell the same I sound here. Okay. IGH and IE both gives vowel sound as I. Now basing on this, let us read the textbook and let us find out. Okay. So children, be ready. Open your textbook and basing on this, let us read. So now let us read the words with IE, that is I sound words. The mic and the pie. So Mike is a boy, you can see. So in the night, IGH. So wherever you had find the words that are pronouncing with I sound, which has IGH and IE, try to underline them. Okay. Now in the night, Mike is sitting in the bright light in his room. In the night, so it is night time, and where is Mike sitting? Bright light in his room. So where there is bright light in that room he is sitting. He is watching a fight on TV. So I sound. So he is watching a fight on TV. Mike is hungry. So how is he feeling? He is feeling hungry. He gets a pie from the kitchen. What does he get? Pie. I sound you can see here. He gets a pie from the kitchen. His mother comes in. So who comes now? His mother comes in. Mike smiles. So what is Mike doing now? Mike is smiling. Mike smiles. He holds the pie tight in his right hand. So can you see? He is holding. So he holds. He holds. So he is singular. person, so verb follows with a plural. You can see everywhere. Mike smiles. Mother comes. He gets. So in this way, when a singular name of a person or a thing is there, we use the plural verb form. He holds the pie tight in his right hand. What do you have in your hand? Asks mother. So now mother enquires, what do you have in your hand? Mike lies. He says, I have a tie. So what is Mike doing? Mike lies means he is telling false, not telling truth. He is lying. Lying in the sense telling false. Something wrong means whatever is there that we won't tell, but something other we tell, then we say we are lying. So Mike lies. He says, I have a tie. What is he saying? He's saying that I have a tie. Mother sighs. So now mother sighs. Sighs means you can see an expression on her face. Okay, so sighing means taking a deep breath and in a relaxed way. If you take a breath in such a way, then we say mother sighs. You might have a tie, but you should never tell a lie. It is not right. So mother warned him that he must not tell the lies. It is not a right thing. So telling lies is a bad habit. You must not tell lies, whatever it might be. You want to tell the truth, not the false. Now, Mike shows the pie to his mother. He promises he will never lie. Now, after that, what did Mike do? Mike showed the pie to his mother and he promised her that he will never tell a lie. Now, wherever you observe the words with IE sound, I sound, and IGH having the same I sound, just try to underline them. Once again, read along with me. In the night, Mike is sitting in the bright light in his room. He is watching a fight on TV. Mike is hungry. He gets a pie from the kitchen. His mother comes in. Mike smiles. He holds the pie tight in his right hand. What do you have in your hand? Asks mother. Mike lies. He says, I have a tie. Mother sighs. You might have a tie, but you should never tell a lie. It is not right. Mike shows the pie to his mother. He promises he will never lie. Now let us go through the volume page number 13 on the words IE and IGH. First one, you want to fill the blanks with IE or IGH according to the word, the picture given. See the picture and write correctly by using with IE or IGH. You might be knowing the words which are there. Okay, now let us move to the second question. Write one word for each of these letter teams, IE and IGH. You want to write your own words, two words which has IE and IGH in them. Now coming to third one, you want to make sentences with any two words from the above. So using the words which you had written in the first question, try to frame two sentences of your own and complete your volume and send it through WhatsApp. Okay kids, thank you.